How to tag someone in a LinkedIn post. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to tag someone in a LinkedIn post. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To begin, launch LinkedIn app on your device. Log into your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, you can start creating a post by clicking on a post icon at the bottom center of the screen. After that, you can type whatever message or content that you wish to share. And after that, after you are done writing your post, tag someone by entering the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to tag. So list of the people or matching names will appear on the screen. Simply select the person you wish to tag from the list. And then, if you wish to create multiple tags, repeat the process, type the @ symbol again, and enter the next name. Once you have tagged everyone you want to mention, click the post to publish your content. The people you have tagged will be notified. So, this process is quite similar to how tagging works on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. It's an easy and effective way to mention someone in your post or comments. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.